about 1 o'clock and it has arrived. There's our Blackstone. It came with a portable pizza grill. I don't know what's in the other box. I think that's the accessories and stuff, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna start ripping into it and tearing it apart. We weren't really sure about the pizza oven part of it, but it came with a package, so we're like, let's give it a try. So we got a pizza oven too. I'm not sure if we're going to use the pizza oven or even how it works, but we'll figure it out. I hope that the stuff's fairly put together, but we'll see when we open the box what it all looks like. Pop the box open. This is what the instructions look like. There's definitely a lot of pieces in here. It's a little heavy. I'm going to try to trim the box down a little bit so I can get it out of the middle of the driveway here. Haven't touched the pizza oven yet. That one looks a lot simpler. I'm guessing this is like the extra tools because it came with some extra tools. We'll open that towards the end. But I'm going to start getting some pieces out of there. Hopefully getting them split up and out so I can move it out the center of that driveway. Got some metal pieces out. And I kind of peeled the cardboard off so I can get to it. It's definitely going to take 2 people to lift it. But I'll give you a close-up of what it looks like in a sec. Here's what it looks like. Sticker's already applied. It's already a little scratched up, which is kind of weird. But that's just the top, so it's going to have it anyways when we're using it. It's already got the pre-installed sticker. Super helpful. Yeah, but that's what the inside looks like. You can see it's on the tray. There's the top. It's just a little heavy for one person, so I'm going to try to trim down this cardboard a little bit, get a little bit more cleaned up so that when Macy gets home, she can help me get the rest of the way out of this box. Making my way through the packaging. This is interesting. After you open the lid, there's a whole nother set of things to remove. Oof. This is packed. Here's what we're looking at when it comes to where it's going. It's probably going to go somewhere on that back rail there. This is my only concern, is getting it here. Now I can obviously move the chest down for a bit and then move it back. And then we've got this other grill there. It's a little worn and used. But we're going to make it fit. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. I'll show you the other side too. That's our gap. I think it's big enough. I do. Especially, I can move this down, but we'll see. Otherwise, I might have to move this other grill to get it in here. It's going to be a tight squeeze just in that little area. Once it gets here, it'll be no big deal. And I'm not sure if I should put it together back here or put it in the front and then kind of wheel it back. The only thing is that one piece is going to be heavy. I do have a dolly downstairs that I might have to break out and use, but we'll see. We'll see. It's moving along. Here is box number 1. The bigger box just has a bunch more metal in it. And then box number 2 has this stuff. It's got like handles, some more bars. I don't see the screws. I'm going to have to keep looking. But I was just pre-reading the directions too. And this is fun. At one step, right here, step 9, we have to actually flip the entire Blackstone upside down. Yeah. Yeah. Alright then. I would start assembling, but I don't have a screwdriver. I have to wait to get the keys so I can open up the storage area that we have with all the tools and stuff. Supervisor's outside, checking our progress. Just causing trouble. Nacy is back. So we're going to start getting into the big stuff. So I need 2 people. Let's see how it comes apart. I'm hoping the top comes off and then the bottom's a separate piece, but I'm not 100% sure. We've officially opened everything up. Got the boxes. One box just had like the drain and stuff. This is the handles for the air fryer. We got the wheels over there because we're going to put it together. It's got to be one of those big trays. So you excited?
So excited.
So why did you decide on this Blackstone?
Because it was the only one that came with extra shit, I feel like. But it also has like air fryer, but it also came with a portable pizza oven. And it's like, it has the drawers and stuff and like enclosed. It's hard to find the ones that are like more enclosed versus like the open one. Just trying to get, you know, longevity.
Yeah, our supervisor's on his OSHA required break time, so maybe he'll jump back in soon. But yeah, we're just working on it. And then we have one more.
Secretary's in there.
Yeah, the secretary's in there. She had to move to secretary because she only has one eye now, so she can't do it anymore. So she looks sad. Macy's putting the final touches on the base piece of it. So we've almost got the base put together. A couple more pieces. It's going pretty easy.
Nothing's labeled though.
Yeah, none of the drawers or anything are labeled. Some pieces are, most pieces are not. Got the cart mostly finished. Now we have to flip that upside down, then flip this upside down and slide it into that. And then you can see the metal piece there. The metal piece, there's 2 holes. We got to screw those into this. Yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a little effort.
Thankfully, his dad just got here.
So we have an extra set of hands. Something unexpected happened. We've been trying to get this in, and that square, you can see it's kind of shaped. It doesn't fit in there right. So we're going to have to slightly expand it. It looks like this piece is overlapping a little bit, and I think that's one of our big problems. Let's see what we can do. We've got the cabinet completed. Next is to put the Blackstone top on it. Thanks to my dad for helping us flip it twice, because you have to flip it twice.
Also, we had to bang out the back of it with the rubber mallet to get those back legs in, because that's where we last left off.
Yeah, the stuff's not really measured perfectly, but pretty close. It's kind of like car modification. It's almost there, but you still always have to do a little bit extra. So we're going to try to get this blacktop on. It's on it. It wasn't too bad.
Jump on it. Jump on it.
Yeah, jump on it. We just got to put some last remaining touches on it, and it should be pretty much complete. Then we just got to roll it back in that spot. Update time. So we got the side pieces on. You can see this side. This side, the cutting board's going in there. Next, we got to get the knobs on. That's our next task.
And then I think that strip on that side is like magnetic.
Yeah, I think
so.
So
You can put knives and stuff, which it's nice that the cutting board's not like built into the table, so you can like take it out and wash it, which is top notch. And then as you guys can see, there's an air fryer to the bottom of it. It actually uses the heat from the burner, so I wouldn't use the air fryer just for the air fryer because you'd waste gas. But if you're out here cooking and you need to air fry stuff at the same time, or you want to keep it warm, because there's like a warming tray, you can use the warming tray. Quick update, we have finished. We have completed the 3-hour tour. This actually took a couple hours to build. I'm not gonna lie. Also, a little discolored there. Not too happy about that. But as you can see, it's got a built-in hood cover. Some of them, like, you have to like take the hood off and then like lock it in, but this one stays. We do actually have to go get batteries for these. Don't know why they need batteries, but we have to take these back off and get batteries. And this one as well. This is for the air fryer. This is for the actual burners. And then we have to get double A's for this bad boy, for the starter. But yeah, so we're gonna go move it in place, and then we'll start greasing it. Well, after I go get batteries, because we need 10 of those little hearing aid batteries.
Macy's working the grill, getting it seasoned.
This is round 1.
How's it going?
Well, it's interesting because I don't think the deck is very level, so everything tilts this way. So like, the grease pan's in the back, but all the grease tilts this way, like towards us.
Huh.
So I don't know if that's like a leveling thing with the deck, but this is round 1. And we go until it stops smoking. I'm just trying to get, like, there's like a puddle of oil that's like collected in the bottom.
Oh.
So I'm just trying to like pull that up, I guess, a little bit.
Yeah, we're getting there. We got it started. There's our tools.
I'll put the rest of them in the drawer.
There's the supervisor doing his job.
Always.
Yeah, we're just working the heat.
It's warm. I'll
Yeah,
tell you that.
yeah, I can see it smoking.
No, I mean, like, it's a warm job.
Oh, of course it is.
I've never been a
Fry cook.
fry cook, yeah.
First time for everything. Alright, let's see if we make anything tonight, or we're just going to season her. First meal on the grill. Well, Blackstone technically, but In-N-Out burgers. That's what Nacy's making today. Yeah, they smell good, y'all.
This is legit.
Legit, huh?
I feel like I am making actual burgers at a fast food restaurant. I even got my caramelized onions over there.
Man, working it out.
And I made my burger sauce. And then the fries aren't in this air fryer. They're in the air fryer inside. And I will melt the cheese on those. But we gonna have us some double doubles. Animal style. One no onion.
Yep, looks good, smells good. I'll let you know how it actually turns out when I get done. But yeah, successful project, got this done. We still haven't worked on the pizza yet. That is tomorrow's project. Because we do have a pizza oven too that we got to put together. But this is amazing, honestly.
I need a little more cheese.
Okay, we'll go around inside. Here's the final product. It's looking good. How was your first Blackstone grilling experience?
Learning curve, but it was fun. I'm excited to cook more stuff.
Yep. So we're going to dig in to our In-N-Out. Well, that concludes our Blackstone opening and setting up video. It's actually about 3 days later. We're heading out on our next trip. And we've had a few meals on the Blackstone. What was your favorite so far?
They were all really good. But I do think the one I had the most fun making was last night. I think just because I'm finally getting used to like how to cook on it. But last night I made shrimp and fish tacos, and they came out really good. And the best part was the house didn't smell like fish, and the house didn't smell like seafood, and we got everything cleaned up. So, what was your favorite one?
I liked them all. The breakfast was really good. The fish tacos were great. The semi-hibachi that we didn't do like a full hibachi, was really good too. It's interesting, my dad made breakfast this morning. He made some bacon, and the house smells like bacon. But we made that whole package of bacon. Doesn't smell at all. Gotta love the Blackstone.
Yep.
We've been wanting it for years. We finally just said, why not? We should do it. We got some room now. We didn't do it in Las Vegas because we weren't allowed to have an open flame. And so we thought they would give us trouble with the whole HOA thing, so we never did it there. And then we're just like, we got to do this. And it's awesome. It's so worth it. Really fun to work with, and we're excited when we get back from this trip to be making some more stuff.
Yeah, so you guys will have to stay tuned to the channel to see what other dinners and breakfasts we come up with. So
And definitely head over to TikTok, Lostgirlintomorrowland. We'll be doing some like shorts there too. So
if you like this kind of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And make sure you ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody.
Bye. We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.